Step 4. Get well versed in networking concepts. Knowing networking concepts and how they are created is vital for ethical hackers. Getting well versed in various networks and protocols is beneficial in exploiting vulnerabilities. An ethical hacker with in-depth knowledge of networking tools such as Nmap, Wireshark, and others can survive the challenges in the field. Some important networking concepts are: 1. TCP or IP network. 2. Subnetting. 3. Network masks and CIDR. 4. Simple network management protocol. 5. Server message block. 6. Domain name service DNS. 7. Address resolution protocol. 8. Wireless networks. 9. Bluetooth networks. 10. SCADA networks Modbus. 11. Automobile networks CAN.